There was a point in the victory speech when he called upon his family, his wife, Juliet, his mother, and one of his sons, and, said that those of the political class who enter politics and do campaigning, there are moments when they feel the hurt, the emotional pain, right? And it's tough. But he chose to go into politics, and that is politics. That is politics. You get blows, yeah? As you get kudos. I think we have that clip ready now.
Jamaica is at a special place today. It is an opportunity. For me, it was also a personal challenge. And I would just like to say, when you face challenges and you look for the opportunities, rise to the occasion. Look at yourself. They know you're strong. No one can stop you. And after all the attacks, the lies, the rumors, the innuendos, I am still solid as a rock. They just can't stop me now. I continue to be your 1 PM.